The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has captivated humanity for millennia. Its soft glow illuminates our night sky, inspiring countless myths and legends. But beyond its enchanting beauty lies a world of fascinating facts that might surprise even the most avid skygazer. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into some mind-blowing truths about the moon you probably didn't know. For centuries, we've gazed up at the moon, wondering about its secrets. What is it made of? How did it get there? Is it really made of cheese? Okay, maybe not that last one, but the moon holds many mysteries. Let's uncover some of these cosmic secrets together. You might picture the moon as a perfect round sphere, but that's not entirely accurate. The moon is actually slightly egg-shaped. This unusual shape is due to the gravitational pull from Earth over billions of years. Imagine squeezing a ball of dough. It changes shape, right? That's kind of what happened to the moon. Over time, Earth's gravity tugged on the moon, making it bulge slightly at its equator. This subtle deformity is just one of the many unique characteristics that make our moon so intriguing. Did you know that the footprints left by the Apollo astronauts will likely remain on the moon for millions of years? That's because the moon has no atmosphere to speak of. On Earth, wind and rain would erode those footprints over time. But on the moon, there's no wind, no rain, and no geological activity to wipe them away. Those iconic marks in the lunar dust are there to stay, a testament to humanity's first steps beyond our home planet. Imagine future explorers millions of years from now stumbling upon these preserved footprints. It's a humbling thought that a piece of human history will likely outlast most things on Earth. Believe it or not, the moon is actually shrinking. But don't worry, it's not going to disappear anytime soon. This shrinking is a gradual process happening over billions of years. As the moon's interior cools, it contracts, causing the surface to wrinkle like a dried-up grape. These wrinkles, called scarps, are evidence of the moon's slow but steady shrinking act. The moon's shrinkage is a natural part of its evolution. While it might seem strange to think of a celestial body shrinking, it's a testament to the dynamic forces at play in our universe. Earth isn't the only place that experiences tremors. The moon has earthquakes too, though we call them moonquakes. These moonquakes can be caused by the gravitational pull of Earth or by the impact of meteoroids. Imagine being on the moon during a moonquake. While most moonquakes are relatively weak, some can be quite powerful, shaking the lunar surface for several minutes. The study of moonquakes helps us understand the moon's internal structure and composition. It's like taking an X-ray of the moon to see what's happening deep beneath its surface. Here's a surprising fact. The moon is slowly drifting away from us. Every year, the moon moves about 1.5 inches or 3.8 centimeters farther away from Earth. This drift is caused by the same gravitational interactions that cause tides. As the moon orbits Earth, its gravity pulls on our oceans, creating a bulge of water. This bulge actually pulls the moon slightly forward in its orbit, causing it to spiral slowly outward. While 1.5 inches might not seem like much, over millions of years, this drift will have a significant impact on the Earth-Moon system. But don't worry, the moon isn't going anywhere too drastic anytime soon. It will continue to grace our skies for billions of years to come. These are just a few of the mind-blowing facts about our celestial companion. The next time you look up at the moon, remember that it's not just a pretty face in the sky. It's a dynamic, ever-changing world with its own fascinating story to tell.